The fan experience is a huge part of Super Bowl, and tonight fans received a cultural welcome to New Orleans during opening night.
WDSU reporter Jonah Gilmore live inside the Dome. Jonah, what was the atmosphere like there?
Well, Gina Sullivan, the atmosphere was electrifying, and honestly, that's expected because New Orleans knows how to throw a party and welcome visitors in a way that only we can do.
I love it. I absolutely love it. It embraces everything about the city.
The high stepping of the St. Augustine Marching 100 welcomes fans into the Caesars Superdome on opening night.
It is out of this world. Excitement, the fun.
As Super Bowl week gets underway, visitors are getting an experience that's uniquely New Orleans.
It was very cool. I had an awesome experience going next to the marching band. Yeah, it was awesome.
The fan events surrounding the big game have evolved since Super Bowl was last hosted in New Orleans in 2013.
Something that we have focused in on as the host committee was the history of Super Bowl and the unique culture of New Orleans. And the NFL has kind of bought into all that.
There's now an emphasis on family-friendly events throughout the week, something the Redrick family appreciates.
Oh, this is crazy. The amount of people here just to come out, see some players, see some interviews, it's great.
Whether it was the players, the music, or the food.
I actually tried gumbo for the first time ever yesterday. It was delicious. But I love it. There's so much happiness here. There's so much energy.
Fans say this Super Bowl experience is one that will rival the many to follow.
It's nothing New Orleans give. You don't want to be there. I had to be there.
And opening night just wrapped up. We just watched as Patrick Mahomes left the field. A lot of people screaming for him. We also saw Jalen Hurts tonight. I can tell you, if you're looking for something to do because all the fun and festivities continue throughout the week, we have you covered. Just go to WDSU.com and find out all of the events. We're live inside the Superdome. Jonah Gilmore, WDSU News.